Hey everyone! Tired of running out of ice during parties or hot summer days? Meet the Killig S01 Countertop Ice Cube Maker. In just 15 minutes, it produces 24 square ice cubes, giving you up to 20 kilograms of ice per day. Perfect for home, office, or bar use, this compact, powerful machine is your go-to ice solution. This ice maker isn't just about speed, it's designed with simplicity and convenience in mind, making it a perfect addition to any home, office, or party setup. Operating it couldn't be easier. Just fill the water tank, press a button, and within minutes, you'll have fresh, crystal clear square ice cubes ready for your drinks. Whether you're hosting a party, preparing cocktails, or just cooling down with a refreshing beverage, the Killig S01 delivers consistently, ensuring you never run out of ice at crucial moments. What sets this ice maker apart is its thoughtful design and smart features. Gone are the days of scrubbing and manually cleaning ice trays or machines. The Killig S01 is equipped with an automatic self-cleaning function. With a simple press of a button, the machine handles the cleaning process on its own, ensuring a hassle-free experience and maintaining hygiene effortlessly. This feature not only saves you time but also guarantees that every batch of ice remains pure and free from unwanted residues or odors. In terms of aesthetics, the Killig S01 doesn't compromise on style. Its sleek, modern design adds a touch of elegance to any space, blending seamlessly with contemporary kitchens, offices, or even small bars. Its durable build and intuitive controls make it a reliable and user-friendly appliance that delivers both functionality and sophistication. In short, the Killig S01 offers a perfect balance of speed, efficiency, and ease of use, making it the ultimate ice-making solution for any occasion. Who is this ice maker perfect for? Homeowners who love entertaining guests. Office spaces needing quick access to ice for beverages. Party hosts who don't want to run out of ice. Small bars or cafes looking for a compact, efficient ice solution. With 24 pieces of ice ready in 15 minutes, you'll always have enough for any occasion. This machine offers incredible value at just price 5,849. No more expensive bags of ice or last-minute store runs. Its 20 kilograms daily output means you'll never run out. Plus, its self-cleaning feature ensures hygiene with minimal maintenance. Want to see it in action or grab one for yourself? Click the link in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews and deals. Stay cool with the Killig S01 Ice Maker.